If you've ever wanted to know if it's better to have a home inspection when it's raining or not raining, I would argue it's probably better to have it while it's raining, and let me show you why. You can see this downspout, it's a drip. The one right across has a decent amount of flow to it. The reason that's important is because the downspout that's not really flowing, if there's stuff up in the gutter that's blocking it, that's obvious. But if I get up there and there's nothing, then I know the downspout has something inside of there clogged and you need to get that taken out. But if it's not raining and then I go on the roof and see the gutters clean, I'm going to assume and have to assume everything's good. And you'll never have caught that otherwise.